Hi everybody, I'm Arash and we are continuing our HackerRank Python preparation course. The next challenge is print function. It is an easy challenge. It's going to give us an integer number, we call it n, and it is telling us that, for example, if n is 5, we should print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all in single line. So input is already handled in the right side. All we need to do is we can write a for I in range range n. This line of code loops from 0 to 1 to 2 to n minus 1. This is the functionality of this piece of code, and inside the for we just need to print I plus 1. Note that we don't print I, we print I plus 1 because the range, I made a typo, range, because the range loops from 0 to n minus 1, and since we inside our program we need 1 to n, we need to use I plus 1. And also we add end is equal to nothing. If you don't write this, every number will be written in a different line. For example, it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. But when we write end is equal to nothing, it won't set \ends. It means new lines at the end of each number, so they will be in single line, one after another. Alright, let's submit our code. While it is testing, I should remind that all of the codes are available in my GitHub in YouTube repository, and you can see all of the codes, all of the videos and problems that I'm walking through. Alright, it's checked and everything is alright. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.